Hello, this is Pranit. In this video, I'm going to explain three simple methods to do a video class. First one is if you have a laptop, just download and install Bundycam software. Okay. And second one is if you have a smartphone, by installing an app, you can do online video classes. And third one is by manual method. Manual method is very simple. First, we'll see laptop method. See here, first open a web browser, just go to Google and just open screen recorder for laptop or desktop. Okay, so the first option you'll get it as Bundycam software. Okay, just click over there and here you'll find free download option. Just click here and follow the instruction. Okay, so the software gets downloaded. Okay, so the path I have chosen as desktop, so that's why the file got downloaded on the desktop. Okay, if you have chosen path somewhere in C drive or somewhere else, the path will go and save in that particular location. Okay, so once the file got downloaded, just double click over here. Okay, so the installation process gets started. So once the installation is over, a shortcut, see here, this is the shortcut. So the shortcut icon, so this is the shortcut icon of this Bundycam software. Okay, so this is the successful installation. Okay, so just double click over here, and once you double click here, a small window gets opened. See here, this is Bundycam software. Okay, so already here a recording process is going there. See here, 2 minutes, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Okay, and file size 7 MB till now. Okay, so what are the how to use this Bundycam software? See here, first screen recording. Okay, first set the screen settings. Just click over here, just click on full screen. Okay, so this is complete full screen, the laptop complete full screen. This is the first setting. And second setting is audio settings. It is very important, means microphone, we need to add microphone. Okay, see here, just click over here settings and click on microphone. Okay, just click on OK. This is the second one, and click on OK. And third one is see here, third one is size is very important. See here, maximum recording time is 1 hour. Okay, and here maximum size is 200 MB file size. Okay, this is recording time, this is file size. Okay, so this is the maximum size. Here you can keep file size as 300 MB, your wish. Okay, so here I have chosen 200 MB size, and the recording time is maximum 1 hour. Okay, uh, and click OK. Okay, and here this is the pause button and this is the stop button. See here, this is pause button. If you want to stop your recording in the middle, just click over here. Okay, this is pause button and this is the stop button. Clear? And see here, I am marking with the help of Epic Pen software. This is Epic Pen software. Okay, this is additional software. This is not included in the Bundycam software. So I have installed Epic Pen software. So with the help of Epic Pen software, I am able to write something on the laptop screen. Okay, so just click on this pen icon and you can draw anywhere in the notepad or in the MS Word document or even in the screen. Okay, so to erase this one, we have eraser, and to erase complete whole thing, we have a clear screen, that is a trash icon is there. See here, trash icon, just click over here, everything gets erased. Okay, then how to see here, if I double click there, you won't get open a document. Why? Because it is on pen mode, it is on pen mode. Then how to open this document means, again go to mouse option here. see here we have mouse option, cursor option. Go to mouse option and double click on the document or whatever you want. Okay, so clear, and delete here. So these are the some of the instructions. And here how to start a video means first you need to go to by default it will be in home. See here, this is home. Okay, so here get started option is there, so click on get started. So here start recording, it will appear as start recording. Now I am doing recording, so that's why it is in stop recording option. So when you click on get started, here you will find start recording. Just click on start recording. Okay, so once you finished recording, just click on stop recording. Okay, then go to videos. See here, videos is there, videos. This is get started, start recording. And once you finished recording, click on stop recording or stop button. This is the stop button. Okay, so go to videos. See here, I am moving to videos. Go to videos. See here, already this is our file name. Okay, so it is recording. So just click over here, just click on this file. See here, just click on this file. File gets opened in folder. Okay, so you can change the file name over there. Okay, you can change the file name here, or once it is finished, once it is saved in the folder, you can change the file name over there. Okay, so change the file name, keep the class name or topic name as file name, and you can directly share with the help of WhatsApp, or if you want to upload, you can upload to the YouTube. Okay, so this is how you need to record a video. Okay, automatically whatever you perform on the laptop, like opening a MS Word document, a text document, or even you can open a web browser. Okay, you can show examples. Clear. So and additionally I'm using this Epic Pen software for better appearance, to draw something over screen or to draw something on document. Okay, so this is all about Bandicam software. So the most thing is just to know about Bandicam software, just watch this video once again. Okay, thank you. So next we will see the second method.
Hello, this is the second topic. So I am explaining this second method by using my mobile phone. So if you see here, there are three applications on the top of my mobile screen. First one is left one, that is screen recorder. So first install screen recorder software from Play Store. Okay, just click over here. Again you will see video icon. Okay, so click on that video icon couple of times, then your mobile screen recording gets started. Okay, so you can slide from one app to another app very easily. Okay, so see here, bottom, on top bottom right side, WPS Office is there. Just I am clicking over there. See, have your PDF documents are there, MS Word documents are there. Okay, so Excel files are there. So you can open any document and you can explain from any document. Okay, so see here I am opening this one. So this is a MS Word document. Okay, so in this way you can explain very easily. Okay, and one more thing is, like I used marker in laptop, here also you can use marker for better appearance. Okay, so for that, just install one application, that is Draw Anywhere application from Play Store. Okay, so just click on Draw Anywhere app and press back button on your mobile phone to disappear this white screen. Okay, so I am pressing back button on my mobile screen, and here you are able to see a pen icon in the middle. Okay, pen icon is there. Just click over pen icon. Here on the right corner, bottom right corner, you are able to see a plus icon. Just press over there. Okay, and if you see here, we have some options here. Okay, so take one option, take shape. So what tool you want to use? Here I want to use a pen. Okay, so pen means you can do anything. Okay, so you can do anything, you can write anything. Clear? So to clear this one, to erase this text, to erase this pen marking, so again click on plus button. Here you will find clear option. Okay, so here you are not able to see here, you can't slide from one application to another application. So what to do? Again clear it, again press on plus icon. If you see here, left corner, bottom left corner, a trash icon is there, delete icon, trash icon is there. Just click on trash icon. So here the plus icon disappears, and here you are able to see pen icon. Okay, so from if you see this pen icon, you can able to switch from one application to another application very easily. Okay, so now I am opening WPS Office once again. So already file is there. See here, all keywords in C are in. So I don't know, I can't find very easily from which part of area I am reading this one. So at that moment use this marker. Okay, so just again now see here, I am unable to, I am writing here, I am writing with the help of my finger, but I am unable to write something on the screen. So for this, again you press on this pen icon. So here you will get plus option, again press on plus option and go to shape and click on pen. So with the help of pen you can directly mark something on your mobile screen or a document. See here, all keywords in C are lowercase letters. First one is the option. Okay, so if you want to mark something in fifth question, what is the function? See here, like that you can do. Okay, so in order to clear this one, again click on plus, click on clear. Again if you want to switch from one application to another application, just click on this trash icon on the left side, trash icon. So once you see this pen icon, you can easily move from, you can use your mobile phone like previously. Okay, so another application is there, it is a notepad application like notepad. See here, write. So with the help of this write, if you want to remove this marker, just press and remove here. See here, delete, dustbin option is the delete option is there. So directly you can drag. Okay, so this is like here, if you see this one application is there, write application, just click on write application, just click on this plus option. Here you will get one paper like it's a notepad. Okay, so you can write anything here, like, okay, you can write, you can show some text, like you can show some formulas like ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 quadratic equation. Okay, you can, or else you can show like benzene formula like C6H6. Okay, so you can add some text, you can show some text in this way. Okay, so this is all about video class by using mobile application. The application name is screen recorder. Okay, so if you want to add something, if you want to add some marking, so use Draw Anyway software. Okay, so once you finish your recording, just drag your screen from top to bottom. Okay, see here, here you will find a stop option, pause option. If you want to pause for some time, you can click on pause. If you finished, the recording is finished, just click on stop option. Okay, so I am clicking on stop option. Hello, this is the third method. See here, place the heavy books in this way and place one long wooden scale in this way and place your mobile phone at this corner. Okay, and here I do not have a wooden scale, so I have adjusted with some kitchen item. See here, place your papers under the mobile phone and click on start recording over here. See here, it is very clear, the text is very clear, the font is very clear. Okay, so like this you can record your classes. Okay, so here some important things you need to remember. The things are like font size is important and proper video angle is important, and keep your mobile phone in airplane mode, that is very important. Okay, and pre-planning, so plan very well. So what are the papers you want to show while recording the video? Okay, and ask students to comment on your videos. Okay, so so that you can show better performance on the next video. Okay, and voice must be very clear. uh, you may listen outside voices and some inside voices also. Okay, so make sure that mobile data is off and it is on airplane mode. Okay, so these are some of the things you need to remember. So these are the three methods. uh, Based upon your choice you can choose any one method. Okay, thank you for watching.